Check it out, man. We're gonna do it again, yo. Cracking crab, man. We hitting them all. We hitting them all kinds of ways. I'm at the McDonald's right now. I'm gonna show y'all something. How I do it so fast and do it real simple and plain, yo. We bring the crabs to you and we do what we do. So come see me. We got big crabs in here. Make it make sense. Come on.
Got me some cracking crabs in Maryland, boy. Come and get them while they hot.
All right, my man. That's all it is.
CRACKNCRAB. This is the real deal. Crabs on the go, no matter where you live at. Salisbury, Del Mar, all the way to Florida.
Come on now. We going international with this thing, baby. Hey, that's all it is. All right, have a great one.
CRACKNCRAB, we down in Ocean City, staying on the spot once again. You want to see us? Call us. City near you. That's all you need to know, man. City near you.
Come on, brother.
CRACKNCRAB.
We is here.